Right, hello everyone, welcome back. This is a new lecture in your course Mastering Ansible by Avionics. My name is Ahmed. In this section, we are working with Ansible playbooks. In the previous lecture, we have seen how we can install PHP7 different packages on the remote machine and also download CodeIgniter and upload the files of CodeIgniter, our PHP framework of choice, to its appropriate location at the remote machine. At the end of last lecture, we have stopped at intending to configure or ensure that mode_rewrite module is configured on Apache, and we have seen that mode rewrite is what makes Apache display URLs in a pretty form like this one instead of the ugly form or the more verbose form like this one at the top. Okay, so in order to do that, let's go to 192.168.33.20, which is our web server, and if you have a look at etc/conf.modules.d, then 00base.conf. This is the configuration file that Apache uses to load different modules. As you can see, it contains a lot of modules. If we search for a module that starts with rewrite, as you can see here, it's the last line here at the end, mode_rewrite, load module, rewrite_module, modules/mode_rewrite.so. This is the module that is used to display pretty URLs on the website. So this module in CentOS 7 is enabled by default. However, maybe you're not using the latest version of CentOS, or maybe you have disabled this module by mistake or by intention, and you need Ansible to set the machine back to the way it was, or to the intended or to the desired state. This includes ensuring that this mode rewrite, if it is already enabled, then nothing's gonna be done. If it is not enabled, like for example, if this line is hashed out, commented, or if it is missing altogether from the file, it is going to be created. That is what configuration management systems are for. So let's see how we can do that. Let's open our lamp.yml file, go to the end, and let's add a new task. Let's call it ensure that mode_rewrite is enabled on Apache. Now, in order to do that, we are going to use a very powerful module of Ansible, which is called line in file. Line in file is used to manage and control a line in a configuration file. It actually can control any line in any file, but most commonly this line is in a configuration file. It is in a .ini or a .conf file, and this module is used to manage this file, is used to manage this line. So how can you do that? Well, the first parameter that you can use is path. Naturally, the path of the file, and in our case it's /etc/httpd/conf.modules.d, the same path that we have just seen on the remote machine, then 00-base.conf. This is the file where I want line in file to work. Then I'm gonna use something called regexp, which is short for regular expressions. Regular expressions is a large topic. Whole books have been written to explain regular expressions and explain its different uses. In short, a regular expression is just a pattern, a string pattern that is used to match specific strings on the file or on a page, for example, and it uses these patterns to pinpoint a specific string using a number of controls, a number of special symbols that denote where this string is, or where this string can be, or how this string can be matched. So in our case, we want to match anything from the start of the line. This hat sign matches the start of the line. This means that I want to search from the start of each line in the file, and I want to search for anything. So anything in regular expressions is denoted by dot followed by an asterisk. This means I want to search for any character from the start of the file till I reach this string rewrite_module, okay, followed by anything till the end of the line denoted by the $sign. Again, I want to search for rewrite_module, and I want to match this rewrite_module so that it is not at the start of the line and it is not at the end of the line. I want to match this I want to match the line that contains this string, rewrite underscore module. So I want to delimit this match with the start of the line, denoted by this hat sign, and the dollar sign denoting the end of the line, then dot asterisk, rewrite underscore module. And as we said, dot asterisk means match any character. I want to match any line that has this in the middle, rewrite underscore module, which is exactly how the line that contains the rewrite module is formatted or is written. Now that I have matched my line, let's see how I can manage this line. Line is load module. This is the line that will get matched. Load module, rewrite, underscore module, followed by modules, mod underscore rewrite, which is the physical file, .so. Again, what this line is doing, regex, it is searching for a line that is similar to this one. It starts with load module. I could have entered load module instead of dot asterisk, but I just wanted to give you a taste of regular expressions, so it's gonna match anything that contains rewrite underscore module in the middle. Then if this line is matched, I want to ensure that this line matches this line. It is the same as this line, load module, rewrite underscore module, modules / mod underscore rewrite .so. Let's rewrite with an R here. Okay. And what this gonna do is that it is going to search for this line. If it is there and it is not commented, it is going to leave it as it is. If it is commented out or if it is missing, it is going to add this line, which is exactly what we need. And we're going to emphasize this by placing the state is present. I could have said that I want this line to be missing. If you viewed this line in the file, if you found this line, just delete it. But I want this line to be present, so I am going to change the state to be present. Okay, and now let's exit the file, saving it, and let's run again Ansible on the playbook. Okay, and as you can see, nothing has changed. Why? Because as we have seen, this line is already enabled, it is already present in the file, and it is not commented out. But if I go to web server now and I tried deleting this file, or let's say I want to search for the right, I want to comment out this line. I'm here. Okay, I need to be root before I do that, so I'm gonna use sudo to make changes to this file. Now let's search for rewrite again. This last line at the end, and I'm gonna comment it out. Have a look here. This is the line. I have commented this line out using a pound sign at the start of the line. Now I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna run Ansible playbook again, and this time you're gonna see that it is going to make changes to the remote host. As you can see, change it is 1 at the task that ensure that mod underscore rewrite is enabled on Apache. Now if I go again to SSH, and if I go to base.conf and go to the end and search for rewrite, I'm gonna see that the hash that I have added to the line is gone. Ansible has correctly removed the hash from the line, and it has enabled the rewrite module again. So what if I deleted this line altogether? Again, I have to be sudo. I have to use sudo if I want to delete something. And let's delete this line altogether from the file. This line now does not exist. If I search for rewrite, I'm gonna find nothing. Let's save this file and let's exit from web server. And again, let's run Ansible playbook on the lamp.yml. Again, you're gonna see that a change has been made to the web server on the task of mod rewrite. If I go to the web server again and go to the end of the file, this time I'm gonna find that this line has been added. Load module rewrite underscore module modules / mod underscore rewrite.so. The line has been added because it was deleted from the file. So Ansible ensures that this line is present, it is not hashed out, and this is what configuration management tools are for. If I ran this command thousands of times, again and again, there will be no changes to the machine as long as it is already at the desired state. As you can see here, change it is 0. So that is the power of configuration management tools. However, now that I have made changes to the configuration file of Apache, I need to restart Apache after those changes are made. Otherwise, those changes are not going to be reflected. We need to refresh Apache, we need to reload the daemon in order to reflect those changes. And Ansible can do that for us using a module that is called Modify. That will be the starting topic of our next lecture, so see you next.